is, look, we're already talking about physically coming into the ground. Look at this beautiful sway. This is the fluid. So there's the physical, the earth. Look at this beautiful sway. This is the water. This is the flow. Is now notice that the more you come into the yield of your body, you're also generating the heat, the fire. You get to feel the heat of your body. The energy is rising. If you think about heat, it expands and contracts. It's your ability to ground yourself, get the flow going, and then bring your energy up and bring your energy down. That's the earth, the water, and the fire. Now, you bring your energy level to a certain height, a state of mind, an energetic level. It feels good. You want to stay in that place. What do you want to do? You want to bring in air, and then you want to glide. And air is all about lightness and micro movements. You're in the micro movements of the space. And if you think about it this way, you have a bird that's going to fly across the ocean. There's no way it can flap its wings all the way thousands of miles. So what it does is that the bird flies high as it can go, looks for a current of air, like a stream, and then just glides. And it spends most of its time just catching currents, no different than catching waves in the ocean. It's catching currents of air, and it just glides. So now imagine you're in your posture. You've got your ground. You've got that beautiful center of gravity where you're just flowing spontaneously in yourself. Your energy is rising, and then you're just surfing the waves. And you're surfing the waves of your own body, your own central nervous system. Like I nearly start touching off chakras now, but we're staying in the 5 elements. These are layering the elements into the practice. And that the 5th one is the ether. The ether is the space it's all in. So now there's the spaciousness within it. There's a wonderful stillness within it. You're able to hold the stillness of being while holding the integrity of the physical ground, the earth. Then there's the beautiful water, and there's the flow of your center of gravity. Then there's the energy rising, and then you're just surfing those waves, and you're beautifully in the stillness and the spaciousness of it. And they're the 5 elements. We'll have a whole conversation on that another time. And those elements can start to layer into the chakras and different things. Yeah, it's beautiful.